It's all wrapped up like a little burrito. Gonna get him stuck in the seat.
Locking it down, man.
Welcome back to the Orange Wires Garage YouTube channel, and welcome back to the Orange Wires Garage. It looks like Christmas time came. Ford brought all of the parts that we ordered. I think they had every single one in stock, and given the day and times we're in, that's a really good thing. So what we want to do is probably try to get started getting some of these airbags put back, and then we've got to work on this rear quarter and see how the door and the quarter all come together. In the last episode, we fixed up the windshield frame. We got everything ready. We got this rear quarter all stripped down and ready to do the body work. And we might even slip up to the booth and paint and trim out some of the insides of these parts because we ordered all the paint. We've got everything that we need. So let's stop talking about the Bronco. Let's get to working on the Bronco and get some of this stuff done. Alrighty guys, it's a beautiful October day here in Tennessee, and we've been working on this Bronco. We got the doors all test fitted and they look amazing. We test fitted that rear quarter and that looks amazing. The only thing we got left on our body work is to fix this little part right here. And we went ahead and marked it off where the fender flare is gonna fit, and that is gonna be a little bit of fiberglass filler to just go right here. Then a little bit of Bondo. Then we're gonna get everything primed up and get this sucker up to the booth. We're gonna get all these parts painted and see how it all looks. We just can't wait to get this thing done. So let's hop to it and let's get it done. So it is the next day here, and I'm really proud of the work that we did on this rear quarter. And that just turned out really, really nice. Just a little bit of fiberglass, a little bit of body filler, a little bit of glaze, and we got that looking 100% OEM. We got this windshield frame, it's looking 100% OEM as well. We got that all primed in. We threw the new hood on. We got the 2 new doors on. So we're gonna hop in the Bronco. We're gonna head out and pick up JP. He's gonna do the painting today. I've been doing really good at the painting. I'm getting a whole lot better. But JP, he's got a few years on me and he's really good at it. So we're gonna let him do the spraying. So let's go get it ready. Let's get it all painted up. Let's get this thing looking 100% so we can start getting everything back together. We're super excited to see it hit the road. So let's hop to it and let's get it done. And just like that, we got this thing looking 100% just like a brand new Bronco. It really is. It's only got 2,000 miles, but look at that. Man, the paint looks perfect on the doors. It's perfect on the hood. And you know me, I don't like to brag, but look at that. Like, look at that windshield post, at how good that looks. And then look in here at our door jamb at how good that looks. It's 100% OEM, and nobody would ever know that this thing had a little bit of fender bender damage. So we're gonna take it back home without the top and enjoy the ride and start trying to get maybe the airbags put back together. We're gonna let that dry a little bit and then we'll put that rear quarter on. This build is coming together. So comment below and let us know what you're thinking about it so far. So let's head back home and let's get this thing put together. Well, we made it back here to the garage. We took the seat out because we got to get these airbags out. We got to deal with that mess right there. It's just part of it. You just got to stitch it back up. So we took the back apart, which exposes these two zippers. So we're going to go ahead and see if we can't get this zipper unzipped and get this seat cover off, get the new airbag put right back in, get the seat cover sewn up, put the seat cover back on. Well, a dozen hog rings and a couple of zippers, and we got it looking like this. You'll check it out, and just like that, we got that all sewed up, ready for the new airbag and to go back together. So let's go ahead and do that. We got a brand new airbag. We'll get it stuck in here and get it all zipped back up and tied back down and put back in this Bronco. We're just slowly working the seat cover back on. We've got ourselves a brand new airbag here. We're going to put it right in that seat. It's all wrapped up like a little burrito. Going to get him stuck in the seat. Hopefully we never have to see this thing again, ever. And we are pretty impressed with how that all went back together. And just like that, we were able to get the seat back in. The airbag is in, and those roof airbags are going to be next. We're going to put those in, and we're going to tackle that other seat. Since we found somebody to sew it up with a nice machine, it made it really nice. So thanks, Annette, for sewing that sucker up. So we're going to go ahead and maybe work on the roof airbags next to get all of that stuff done. Get some of this trim put back together. These trim panels, I've got them tore out everywhere. We keep this thing moving forward. So let's get some work done. So we got those roof airbags in, we got one of the seat airbags in, we're just like a few little stitches away from getting the other seat airbag in, and we'll be 100% finished with the airbags. There's a couple of small things that's holding us back from putting this thing back together, and we're waiting on our seat belt and our restraint control module to come back in from Safety Restore. There's a bracket we need to mount the mirror. We're waiting on that part to come in, and then just a little bitty piece of trim for up top. And we'll be ready to put this Bronco all back together again. The build's going super, super quick. We really like this thing. Pretty proud of it. Didn't know we'd be able to get a 2023, but I think we ran out of time for this video, guys. And don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Orange Wires Garage. We always post there before YouTube. Leave us a comment down below and let us know what you're thinking. We'll catch you guys next time. This old Ford Bronco, we're out.